Judy Miner just got in your town. Well, my name is Judy Miner, just got in your town. If you need some loving, I'll always be around. I'm a long, tall daddy, and I know I'm built for speed. Well, I'm a long, tall daddy, and I know I'm built for speed. I got everything that a long, tall daddy needs. Well, if your best man quit you, don't know where to go. Well, if your best man quit you, don't know where to go. Now remember, baby, I'm living right next door. Now when the rain starts falling and the moon is shining bright, well, when the rain starts falling and the moon is shining bright, leave your back door open, I'll be there tonight. Do